Hello students, lecture 1 acid or base laga concept monik barsavo. Acids substances that test store acids kando sort age, that means tenga thage aru changed color change kure blue litmus paper ge red te convert kure blue litmus paper ge red te convert kure. Bases are substances that test bitter talaga test bitter thage aru change kure red litmus paper ge blue de red litmus paper ge blue de convert kure. Mon ek bar blue litmus paper acid te dalishe red huise red litmus paper base te dalishe blue huise.